Hi, it's me. I'm making a video because you guys wanted to see what was in my refrigerator. But before I start, I want you to see what my refrigerator looks like. Elvira. Deep Red, good movie. Nightmare City. Michael Jackson's Thriller. Frankenstein. You get the idea. It's a horror story on the outside. Now let's take a look on the inside. This is not pretty. If you're faint of heart, you may want to turn away. Fair warning. We got eggs. Unfertilized. Good. Rich and creamy rainbow chip frosting. This was from Matt Cain's going away party cake. He's gone, but the icing's still in my fridge. Feta cheese. I love this stuff. This is amazing. It's staying. Country crock, good. Here we go, mystery containers. Macaroni and cheese. Bye. This is going to be a treat. The leftover pot roast that nobody ate. Ah, Flor Loco. They don't make this stuff anymore like this. This is an original can.